In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to construct a box plot given a 5-number summary, and we're going to do this problem together in which the 5-number summary provided. And the idea is very simple. Boxplot helps us to visualize data, and of course construction of it should be somewhat intuitive, otherwise it doesn't serve the purpose well. So what do we do to construct a box plot? First step is we create the x-axis and we list all the values. Well, we create a scaled x-axis, so we can start with number 4 here, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this is our x-axis. All values are well defined here, equally spread out. Beautiful. Now what we're going to do is we're going to draw a tick mark above the x-axis, vertical tick mark, for each of the numbers in the 5-number summary. So here's my 5, here's my 8, here's my 12.5, 14, and 15. So these 5 tick marks represent the 5 values. Now what we're going to do is we're going to extend the tick marks for corresponding to Q1, Q2, and Q3. And remember, Q2 represents the median. Q1, Q3 together and everything in between represents the middle class. So we draw this box representing the middle class with the median in the middle. So this is our middle 50%. Everything to the left of this line in the box will be the 25%. Everything to the right will also be 25%. And now we connect the outside tick marks with this box by drawing horizontal lines. So this is Boxplot. It should be easy to see how this values in a 5-number summary were converted into a box plot. Now please note that this is one way of drawing a box plot without considering potential outliers. In alternative methods for drawing box plots, we sometimes do consider the outliers, and instead of drawing the Q0 and Q4 as the boundaries of these whiskers, we extend the whiskers to the lower and upper fences, and then we draw potential outliers separately. So again, that's an alternative way of drawing the box plot. In this course, we use this way of drawing a box plot. It's a simplified version, but it serves the purpose very well. So let's pick the right answer from the multiple choices that we are given, and it looks like the top one is the right one. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. If you would like to try a similar question yourself, then look for this link in the description of the video.